a hearty and flavorful Masoor Pulao made with wholesome brown whole lentils, fragrant rice, hint of green chillies and rich coconut milk, infused with a perfect balance of whole spices, ground spices and ginger garlic paste. This pulao is finished with boiled eggs for extra protein and taste. This recipe is simple yet comforting, ideal for lunch, dinner or even a special weekend meal. Pair it with raita, papdum, pickle or a fresh salad for the ultimate combo. Cook for you spread tasty food in the world. Please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon for daily notifications. Cook for You presents Masoor Pulao. Take 2 to 3 tablespoons oil. Add whole spices mentioned on the screen. Add 1 teaspoon pure ghee, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, 6 to 7 curry leaves. Roast well. Two onions chopped. Half teaspoon turmeric. Sauté well. Add mixed chillies as per your taste. Add 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon green chilli paste, sauté well, two to 3 pinches asafoetida, 1/4 teaspoon black pepper powder, 1/2 teaspoon cumin powder, 1/2 teaspoon green cardamom powder, 1/4 teaspoon dried fenugreek leaves, 1/4 teaspoon white pepper powder, 1/2 capsicum chopped, 3 to 4 potatoes cut in halves. Roast well. Add some water. One cup overnight soaked whole brown lentils, add 1 cup of coconut milk, cover and cook on low flame for 10 minutes. Add some water Sprinkle some coriander leaves. Salt to taste. Add some water. Cover and cook for 5 minutes. Water, teaspoon red chilli flakes are totally optional. 500 grams soaked rice. Add water. Require water. Combine well. Dries out the water completely. Sprinkle some coriander leaves. Add boiled eggs cut in halves. Sprinkle more coriander leaves. Cover and cook on low flame 15 to 20 minutes. Our delicious Masoor Pulao is ready to enjoy. Serve with raita, papdum, pickle or salad. Do try this super delicious comfort food recipe and share your valuable feedback with us. Please like and share, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.